everyone, I'm here again in order to share with you the last video for this week, that it's the one that is concerned with the manager practice area. How to get there was really a difficult task for me because I'm not paying attention to the instructions, so now I'm going to be more careful. We go to Moodle for Teachers EVO 20, we have to go to week 3, and then we have to go here and go to the manager practice area. Okay? When we are there, we have to go here to turn editing off. When you are in turn editing off, you can go here to add a block. Here we have a list of blocks. We have activities, block menu, block task, calendar, clocked, comments, competence grid, completion progress, okay, and many of them. So we can add one of them just making a click, for example here in comments, add a block that is comments, and you are going to see that the block appears. It's here, okay? Let's add another block. Could be Facebook comments, okay? And as you can see, the block is here. So we add comments, Facebook comments. If we see one block, you are going to see that here you have one key for hide comments blocks. Here for actions menu, and if you click here, you can configure, hide the comments or delete the comments. And this one that let you move it to another place, okay? For example, to item navigations. Okay, one of the instructions here says please delete the blocks when you finish your video tutorial. So if we need to delete, we go here and we delete the block. Okay, confirm, yes. And here the Facebook block, the same. You click there and you delete it. Confirm, yes. Okay, that's the way. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.